Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my full face of using my November 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag products. So I started this monthly video last month because that's when I started getting 3 Ipsy Glam Bags a month. I get the regular Glam Bag, I get the Glam Bag Plus, and I get the Glam Bag Ultimate. So in my description down below, I will link all of my unboxings for the month of November. And I'm really excited about the products I got this month. What I did not get was a foundation, concealer, or any brow products. So I already did that. I did use the primer that I have actually been using a lot since I got it. This is the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. So all of the products that I'm using in this video, I already used as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. And so I have full dedicated reviews on all of these products. So those will also be linked down below if you haven't seen those or you want more information on any of these products. But so let's just get into it. First off, another product that I have been loving. This is the Gigi Gorgeous Lip Balm. And I have to put this on right away. I'm putting this on constantly and it's so nice. It's super, super hydrating on the lips. It's got a nice smell to it. I love the texture, so putting that on first off. And now I'm gonna move on to my eyes. So I got 2 eyeshadow products. I got the Wander Beauty Rush eyeshadow palette and the Pixie Mesmerizing Mineral Duo in Naturally Nude. So I'm going to use both of these palettes to create my eye look today. To start off, I did put my concealer on my eyelids and they're already creasing, so I am just going to pick up the lighter shade from the Pixie palette, and even though it has a little bit of shimmer, I'm going to use that to set my entire eyelid. I think this is a really pretty all over the lid shade for just like a daily wear. But I will add some other colors to this as well. And it applies really nicely with my finger. So just quickly putting that all over the eyelid. So then the products can blend easier and then I won't have that creasing from my concealer. But then next, I'm picking up a fluffy brush and I'm picking up the brown shade in the Pixie Duo. And I really do love this as a crease shade. This also has some shimmer to it, but I still like it as a transition and crease shade. And I'm bringing that pretty high, almost to the eyebrow, because I will go in with another crease shade underneath this. So tonight I'm going out with my girlfriends, which I'm really excited about. I haven't seen them in a while, so I'm excited to catch up, but I'm going to keep that in mind when I'm doing my makeup today. So it is for more of like a going out look, but still nothing too like crazy over the top. But I do feel like I can do something fun and a little bit extra with my makeup for my occasion today. Okay, so now dipping into my Wander Beauty palette, I'm going to pick up the shade OTW on a bit of a smaller crease brush and put that right into the crease to kind of deepen up the crease area. Okay. And now for my eye shape, I really like to take a darker shade and apply that into the outer V of my eye. I find that to be really flattering for my eye shape. It helps lift my eye shape and give more of like a cat eye effect. And this is a perfect shade for that as well. So bringing that into the crease a little bit, outer corner, and then down to the lower lash line, and doing lots of blending. So I'm planning to upload this video right around Thanksgiving. So I'm hoping that if you're watching this and you celebrate Thanksgiving, that you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'm really looking forward to Thanksgiving. Okay, and then when I use this palette, it just really makes me want to wear shimmer. So I'm gonna take the shade Charge, which is the lightest shimmery shade, and apply that to the inner corner and the inner half of my eyelid. I'm just gonna touch that up with a little bit more blending. And then I wanna take that same light shimmery shade and apply that under the brow bone for some highlight there, and then a little bit into the inner corners of the eye to help brighten that up. All right, I love this eyeshadow look. I think it's perfect for going out with a little bit of glam, some sparkle, and both of the palettes worked really nicely together. Next, I'm going to apply mascara, finish off the eye look. So I got the Punk Volumizer Mascara from the brand Douce. And I have been liking this mascara, but the wand is really big, which I'm finding kind of annoying to work with most days. Because if I'm like in a rush, usually mascara is my last makeup step. I don't want to have to be very careful and precise with a big wand. So although I really like the formula of this mascara, I wish the wand was just a bit smaller. Okay, so that's the mascara. I'm not even going to use it on my lower lashes because it's just like impossible to do on my lower lashes with a wand this big. But now I can move on to the face and add some contour. This is the Trestique Color and Contour Cheek Stick, which I ended up being very pleasantly surprised by how much I like this. It's double-ended, so it has a brush on one end, the product on the other, and the brush actually is great. So I'm gonna do some cream contouring. See, like it blends out really nicely. It actually suits my very fair skin tone pretty nicely as well. But it is buildable, so you can make it a deeper brown if you want to. And then I'm going to go on top of that contour and just warm up the face with the Gigi Gorgeous, the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. Honestly, this bronzer on its own, I don't love it for contouring because it ended up being, just pick up both shades, but it ended up being a lot less pigmented than I expected. It's definitely not like my favorite bronzer contour product. Okay, and now I really feel like my skin is looking super washed out. So we are going to fix that with the Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus Blush Palette. I love this blush palette. Let me start out by picking up that pinky shade called Petal, which, oh, is so pretty. And that right there looks beautiful enough on its own, but I'm also gonna pick up, let's go with this one, Harvest. That's more of a, it says golden nude. I'm gonna brush that on top of the cheeks. So the first shade I went in with is a matte shade. This one has some shimmer to it, just adding a bit of glow to the cheeks as well, which I like. Okay, much better having some color in my cheeks now. I had this off to the side. I forgot that I have the Gigi Gorgeous blush palette, which I really do like this as well. You know what? I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna pick up both the shades, swirl it together, and add some extra blush. I don't mind having too much blush on at all. So 4 different blush shades on my cheeks right now. Fine by me. Okay. Love this blush duo. I definitely prefer the blush over the bronzer. So I'm liking the glow on my cheeks from putting on some shimmery blushes, but I'm going to amp up that glow with the Benefit High Beam. I love this. I was so surprised by how dewy it is, and it just makes the skin look so beautiful and healthy. So I like to apply this to the high points of my face. And I just dab it with my finger. And that's how I like to blend it out. It sits so beautifully on top of makeup. It blends out so nicely. And I feel like it just gives life to my skin, which has been pretty dry and dull lately. So this is the perfect product to give me that healthy radiance and healthy glow, because it's not too sparkly, shimmery. It looks like a natural on my skin. Like, it looks like this is just like my skin has this natural, healthy, youthful shine to it. Okay, and then I'll finish up the look with lips. And I got some really awesome lip products this month. First off, I have the Belle in Argent Attire Cream lipstick in the shade Smoking on Screen. Love this color, love this formula. So pretty. Oh, I feel so glamorous in this color. And I really like how it goes with the eyeshadow look as well. And now I'm gonna do something that I wouldn't normally think to do, but since I wanna use all of my November Glam Bag products in this look, I'm gonna take a tinted lip gloss and put it on top of this lip color. So I'm going in with the Vasanti Power Oils lip gloss that I got in the shade Super Mom. I'm obsessed with this lip gloss. I love it just on its own, but let's see how it is with this lipstick. So I'm only gonna put it in the center so that I can add a little bit of depth, and by adding extra shine to the center, it's supposed to give the illusion of fuller lips. I also wanted to do a little bit of an ombre effect. Wow. There is my finished look. I love it. I feel so beautiful in this. I feel like my makeup looks so pretty and glamorous, but then I feel like my skin looks so flawless and healthy. I am so excited about the products that I got this month, and I'm really excited to continue using them. But I'm also really looking forward to December glam bags, because those will be here before you know it. They'll probably be here in about a week, which I am so excited about. I wonder if it'll ever get old to me unboxing these Ipsy Glam bags. It's been a year and I still am just as excited this month as I was the first months that I was getting it. So I'm just loving getting Ipsy and loving the products that I get. And of course, as always, I would love to know in the comments down below if you've tried these products, what your thoughts were, and also let me know how your Thanksgiving was. What are your favorite things to eat at Thanksgiving? I'm personally vegetarian, so I'm really looking forward to the corn casserole, the rolls, the mashed potatoes. Oh, I'm making myself hungry. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.